Ashtanga is always going to be better to practice than to explain. It's because it's rooted in direct experience, your experience of the breath, of movement, and your presence as you bring it all together. But in today's digital world, practice doesn't exist just in shalas. It extends across screens, connecting practitioners to people who they are never going to meet in person. I think building online communities is pretty great. And I if not for them, how would people have found Ashtanga in the mid to late 90s? This digital shift isn't replacing tradition. It's, I think, a part of its evolution. Online spaces are places that can grow in a healthy way or they can grow in an unhealthy way, but they can grow either way. And so they should, I think, be a place where we can share experiences and support. I think they're a place where we can access teachers who have maybe some more experience and get additional support that way. I think it's a nice way to find different learning design through workshop. And if nothing else, online communities can be really helpful for staying accountable and connected, even without a local Mysore room. But man, you talk about practice more than you practice, and things get out of balance. In a digital place, there are ways in which we can razz each other or where we can start to shake our fists and say, my way is the best way. But I think that's a really lowbrow way of using online communities. Digital connection shouldn't replace authentic connection. They reinforce one another. Just like anything, Ashtanga yoga can be talked about on the internet in really divisive ways. And I think it's just a rather lowbrow way of talking about Ashtanga. I think it's way more interesting how we can use online communities and online learning design to help with accessibility and vocational training and bringing conversational topics out of the dark and into the light in an open forum.